Hi everyone, how are you all? Today we will do the last part of this watercolor tutorial. So here actually nothing so much to do, but whatever you do it should be a master stroke. Like more details on figure, more depthness under the board, like shadow of the board and figure, also few details on river and lots of. From this final touch you can learn how and what process I do, more details on my every work. Just care for this watercolor, so you need to provide a smoothness on your every color stroke. First of all, apply dark brown on figure like on dress, especially on leg portion and on few figure face. Then apply olive green as a board shadow one or two times. More dark on board so that we can create more depths. guavas, I have used watercolor white and yellow to create some highlighted area. Also on figure, I am using gouache because this pigment is very good compared to watercolor white. So if you need to create highlighted on your work, I will suggest you to use gouache color instead of watercolor. I mean only white and yellow. And finally use ST waterproof pen or any other waterproof pen to apply lines on those figure and boards. Hope this 4 parts video help you a lot to gain some knowledge about watercolor. And if you need more information or more knowledge, please contact with me. Also see my previous videos of watercolor, that how I create color, how I create different textures and lots of. So see you soon with my next tutorial. Till then, take care. Bye bye.